Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Lexus NX. The Lexus NX is sculpted to look nimble while hinting at the incredible power concentrated inside. The interior of the NX directly evokes the premium urban feel of the vehicle, combining the structural beauty of a high-performance machine with a material feel that maximizes luxury and functionality. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, roof rails, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.